Hi everyone, it's Neil. Welcome to my kitchen, and today I have some more Disney stuff. You know me, you know I have the Disney plates that I've reviewed, and I have some other, the bigger plates, the smaller plates, and some like utensils that have the little Mickey Mouse up there. And so I figured, hey, why not get some other Disney stuff that they have? And so they had these Pyrex storage dishes, and I have some like glass lock stuff that's kind of like the storage stuff. And so I figured, hey, you know, but I like these better, so maybe I'll bring the other ones back to Dallas and use these here. I don't know. So let's see if we can open this up without any knife or anything. Let's see how we do. Okay, so let's see how these are. And there we go. So it says Mickey Mouse on it, on that one there. So it's got the, I don't know what color it is, but there's like, looks like there's 4 different colors. So there's that one, this one here, there, and so it comes with 4 different dishes, different sizes, and it's got the little lids that match them too. And these are Pyrex, so these are gonna be nice and solid and last. And then there's the square ones here. So I've got 2 square ones, and this one says the original on it, and this one says, oh boy. So there's those. So it's got all 4 of these, and they're Pyrex, so I'm sure I can stick them in the oven or stick them in the microwave or whatever as I want to. And they seem pretty good. These are kind of small here, so this would be good for like storing if I have some, like a lunch or leftovers and stuff to put it in there. Same here with this one here is about the same, it's exactly the same size. So you have these 2, I have that, and then this one here is good for like when I make cookie dough and I have the extra dough and I want to just spoon them out. That's what I would use this size for, or for like a soup or something like that if I had the individual sizes. So that's kind of what these are. So I like these. These are sweet. I love the Disney looking stuff. It just makes it a little bit happier when I'm storing stuff. I mean, it probably does the same as everything else, but I like these, so it's a good little 4 set. I'm gonna put a link to these in the description. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Here you can just see a little close up if you want. It just says Pyrex on it there, and then these things are, you know, it's like baked into it, so it's not gonna come off as far as the stuff. So that's it. So thanks for watching. Bye.